Fellow pyros, we are back, but we're watching out for the zombie outbreak happening. 35 shots from Epic Fireworks. 500-gram cake. As you can see, it's a fan cake. Face the side towards your audience for panoramic effect. Take a peek on the inside real quick. Definitely a fan. Got this from Fireworks Forever. And our performance is red, white, blue. That's a winner already. Color palms or brocades with colors. We don't know what colors, just colors. Strobes are crackling. All with red strobe mine. Now, red strobe mine sounds pretty sick as well. Once again, this is from Fireworks Forever, sending this in. Epic Fireworks Zombie Outbreak, 35 shots. Let's see the hands there. There they are. Now you can see them. Let's take a look. You know the drill. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Keep on running if you see a firework trying to eat you. We'll see you in a few seconds.